Hello, I would like to present to you this product, the GEPULY Mini Hand Grip Selfie Stick Tripod. It comes in the box like this, and inside the box we have the mini tripod itself, which is this one, made of durable aluminum. It opens up to be a tripod. You can twist it up to 9.2 inches. When it's in the smallest form, it is 4.7 inches, so you can hold it like this. You can set it to each position separately. Let's put it on the table. You can mount an action camera here, like this. You can use this accessory that comes with it, and you can thread in maybe anything that goes on a thread. I use it for my camera instead of a proper big tripod when I go traveling because it's very light. You have a phone holder. It's adjustable, it's padded inside. It has two screw holes here, so you can mount it like this, and then you have your phone horizontal, or you can mount it like this, and then you will have your phone like this, shooting vertical. There you go. You can adjust it each way you want. It comes also with a lanyard for your wrist. Then it goes to the bottom of the mini tripod, and it's safe. Also, it has another screw hole at the bottom. If you want to, you can attach it on top of another tripod and make it even taller. It's a great little device to go traveling with. I take it with me all the time. As I said, I used it on my camera, on my mirrorless camera, as a tripod to take a long exposure shot, and also most of the time I put my action camera here and use it for vlogging. It's light, it's durable, it's versatile. I like it.